Hi everybody! Today I will be showing to you about the Wuudi dartboard. It is a double-sided flacking dartboard. This side is the tournament board and the other side is the classic dartboard. So this one is for beginners, so if you want to practice it, they have a scoring here from 1 point to 6 points, and it's like if you get a 1000 point you're the winner, and if you're a beginner you can have a smaller total score for like 250 or 500. So there's like in every number here there's like certain points for that, and then they total that one. And the other side is of course for the tournament board. So if you love playing dartboard, which I do, this one you can use. So there's also a numbering for this for you to win. And of course this, if you put the darts here, this is the highest score that you will have. It has 6 brass darts and the 2 spare holder just in case you break this. And this one of course you have to put it here on the upper part of this black plastic, and then there's a protector here too that if you're gonna use it you have to take this out. They also have the instruction guide, and this dartboard is made of galvanized steel wiring. As you can see, it's durable. It's made of super dense high visibility flacking. So yeah, so to use this you have to make sure you put this, you have to take out the plastic. So you have to be careful because this is very sharp. And this one you have to open this like this and put it like that. So they both have a US and New England flag. So all of this 5 pieces, like total of 6, you have to put it all here. So I'm not very good at this, but I know how to play. There. So yes, okay, I'm gonna try harder because I'm on the floor right now. I haven't hung it. I still have to find the nails or screws to hang this one on this part. So yeah, I'm not on the wooden floor, so I'm on a carpet, so the floor will be fine. So but make sure that if you put it in a wooden floor, or like say inside a house, you have to protect the floor from this, because this usually falls a lot of times. So okay, I'm gonna show you how you play this. So there, so you can keep repeating this until you becomes good at it. So there. So this is a very nice dartboard. You know, you can play it anytime you're bored, or you can do it with your friends, or if you have visitors in the house, or yeah. So it's a great dartboard, and you can always be busy with, you know, something if you're bored. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I was able to show you how to play dartboard. And this is from Wuudi. It's not too expensive, and it's great to have it. Thank you guys.